In this lecture, we will learn how to install Blender. Next, we will quickly set it up using a configuration project file supplied with this lecture, such that the app will be ready and optimized for video editing without bogging you down with too many details. In Google, I'll use the search term Blender 3D. And this is the official website where you can download and set up the app. Note, as of the recording of this video, this course refers to 2.79b, which I recommend you use for the sake of consistent follow along throughout this course. Once you're done, here is how it looks when it's launched the first time. By default, you'll get the 3D editor. As I mentioned, Blender is a multi-purpose app. It's a 3D creation app, VFX creator, and a video editor. Don't worry about these for now. This course is only concerned with the video editing part. And I know this UI might be scaring you away, so don't worry. I will quickly get you running without the hassle of diving too deep into this complicated engine. From this workspace menu over here, I can switch from the 3D editor, which is the default startup workspace at start, to the video editor. From here we can start our video editing project, though we need to do some initial configuration in order to optimize the rendered result for YouTube and teaching platforms. As I said, I don't want to overwhelm new users with too many technical details. So what I did is, I included a configuration project file you need to download from the class project so you can follow along. When you are ready, go to File. Actually, let me restart Blender. Again, go to File, Open. Select the project file wherever you saved it. And voila, you are almost set. Only a couple of settings left. The first thing you want to do is to set out the output folder right here. Finally, we'll save these settings so that we don't have to repeat it every time we open Blender. Go to File, Save Startup File, and click right here to confirm. Now let's try to restart Blender. And now we are good to go. For those who are interested to learn how to perform these steps manually, or might have problems following along with different versions of Blender, such as Blender EV, please refer to the attached notes for this lecture. In the next video, we will talk about installing essential add-ons that will automate and simplify a lot of common editing tasks, thereby making it more intuitive and easier, which are normally cumbersome otherwise, as we will see later in subsequent lectures. See you in the next lecture.